Hey guys, today I'm going to cook some Cornish game hens on my little Weber Q1200 gas grill. I brined these overnight, and I don't know if that was really necessary, but any chicken that involves white meat I usually like to brine. So my brine consists of 1 gallon of water, 1 cup of kosher salt, and a ½ cup of brown sugar. I just put it in that bucket, all cold, and mix it up. And just put these guys in the bucket, and then I just put them in the refrigerator overnight. That's kind of how I brine most of my chicken. So I don't know if these guys really needed it, like I said, but hopefully it'll make them a little bit juicier. Now I'm just gonna take a paper towel and kind of dry the skin off to help it crisp up a little bit better. Sometimes brining can make your skin get a little bit soggy, so I usually try to dry it off pretty well first. I bought these game hens at the grocery outlet. They were $2.99 a piece. These are Patty Jean brand 22-ounce rock Cornish game hens. So I think I've had these a couple times before, and they were pretty good. Now I'm just going to season these inside and out with this rub by the J. Christopher Company. This has sumac in it. It's a purple Middle Eastern berry. Kind of gives the chicken a nice color and flavor as well. All right, let's get the grill lit here. Okay, I think I'm going to start out cooking these on high and just kind of keep an eye on them. I have this broiler pan that's from one of my old toaster ovens that fits perfectly in there, so I just put them on that. I'm going to start them out breast down, and then maybe I'll flip them over part way through. See all the smoke coming out from under the grill? That's just because you get all these pieces of stuff down in the grill that smoke, so you do get pretty good smoky flavor from this grill. We're about 20 minutes into this, so I'm going to take a peek here. That thermometer is running about 350 degrees Fahrenheit. So see if I can turn these over now. There we are. All right. Okay. Get the lid back on and let them go for a while longer. It's been about 45 minutes, so let's take a look at these. Let's see what the temperature is here. They should be 165 at least. And that one is 176, so that is done. I am going to brush a little bit of barbecue sauce on these and then just let them cook for maybe 5 more minutes, and then I'm going to pull them off. These look awesome. Let's take them inside and try them out. Well, that looks pretty good. I love these little game hens. Let's cut into it and see how it looks here. Get that wing out of the way. All right. Take the leg off. Never can find the leg joint. Nope. Anyway. All right, looks good, looks juicy. Let's cut into the breast, see how that looks. That looks pretty good as well. Let's try a bite here. Boy, I'm having trouble cutting this thing. I hear Annie. Man, that is so good. And you do get a real nice smoky flavor from that grill. I really like that grill a lot. This is so good, Annie. You ready to try it? There you go. Well, Annie liked that. She could probably eat a whole one if I gave her the other one. I should buy those more often myself. Those are so good. Thanks for watching. Talk to you guys next time.